Well, let's take a live look now at the U.S. Supreme Court, where President Joe Biden's student loan forgiveness plan is back in the spotlight. We've seen a crowd, you can still see them there, gathered outside since before the sun came up. And depending on the outcome of this hearing, millions of student borrowers could see up to $20,000 of their debt canceled. The White House says this isn't part of the president's economic plan, but today critics say the country cannot afford to pick up the tab.
What we want to remind American people more broadly is how this program is going to give tens of millions of Americans across the country a little bit of a breathing room that you hear from the president, who says this a lot. That's part of his economic plan.
We believe that a lot of the inflation is a direct result of bad policies that this president's done through executive order, like canceling the Keystone Pipeline and the student loan debt and things like that.
So how and when the justices rule will determine when payments on federal student loans continue. The Biden administration has said that payments will pick back up 60 days after this legal action is resolved, or at the end of August, whichever comes first. Of course, we'll keep you updated on air and online just as soon as the Supreme Court makes a decision. You can also read more about the forgiveness plan and how this decision will impact you and your family right now on 11alive.com.